Hello friends, let's crochet together a little bear, like this one. This is yarn knot jeans and the size of my hook is 1.6. Let's start from the ears. We make a magic loop and 6 single crochets into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull the thread and make a slip stitch in the first loop and a chain. In the second round we make 3 increases. We make 2 single crochets in 1 loop. This is the first increase. Then we make a single crochet in the next loop and repeat. Increase, a single crochet, increase, a single crochet, a slip stitch in the first loop and a chain. And now there are 9 loops in the round, and in the next round we make 9 single crochets, 1 single crochet in each loop. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A slip stitch and a chain. We leave the long end of the thread to sew the ear to the head, and we make the second ear in the same way. For the next detail we take light thread, make a magic loop and 6 single crochets into it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull the thread, a slip stitch in the first loop and a chain. In the next round we make 6 increases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. A slip stitch and a chain. There are 12 loops in the round, and in the next round we make 12 single crochets without changes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. A slip stitch a chain. Leave the long end on the thread and the detail is ready. Now let's make hands. A magic loop and 5 single crochets into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull the thread a slip stitch in the first loop and a chain. In the second round we make 5 increases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A slip stitch, a chain, and in the next round we make 10 single crochets without changes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we change the color. A slip stitch and a chain. In the next round we make 10 single crochets, but just for the back side of loop. 1, 2, 3, and we fix the threads on the opposite side. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A slip stitch in the first loop, a chain, and we can cut the first thread. We make the next 3 rounds without changes for 10 single crochets in each round, and we crochet for the both sides of loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 10. We've made 7 rounds, and now turn around the detail and take white yarn. And we make slip stitches for the loops. Fix the threads and hide them inside the hand. Add fiber fill, not much. And in the next round we make 2 decreases. The first decrease, then we make 3 single crochets. 1, 2, 3. The second decrease, 1, 2, 3. A slip stitch, a chain, fold in half, and we make single crochets through the opposite loops. 1, 2, 3, 4. A chain and cut the thread. And make the second hand in the same way. Let's make the legs. We make a magic loop and 6 single crochets into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull the thread, a slip stitch and a chain. In the next round we make 6 increases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. A slip stitch and a chain. And in the next round we make 4 increases with 2 single crochets between them. 1, 2, increase, and repeat. 1, 2, increase, 1, 2, increase, 1, 2, increase, and we have 16 loops in this round, and we make 2 rounds without changes for 16 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 15, 16. We've made 5 rounds, a slip stitch, a chain, cut the thread, and we make the second leg in the same way, but don't cut the thread, and we'll make the body in the next part.